Hey guys, how's it going? How to stay safe on Elite Singles. So first of all, protect personal information. Avoid sharing sensitive details like your home address, phone number, or financial information. Use Elite Singles messaging system instead of moving to external apps too quickly. For in-person meetings, choose busy public locations and inform a friend or family member about your plans and who you are meeting. If something feels off, do not hesitate to end the conversation or date. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.